It's the gang. We lit. They lame. We it. Oh, you ain't heard? Eb and Drew, we the shh. And we're back with another banging ass reaction.
Here he is. So, you guys, we told you we were going to start reacting to some crazy stuff,
it's
right?
It's only right, you know what I'm saying?
Because it's a reaction channel. Like, it's just other things that are there for us to laugh at.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, we're going to react to funny, scary animal encounters. Now, y'all know we love animals, but we also scared of animals, too.
Yeah,
just real being talk. Real. They just can't be bigger than a dog or a cat.
Because you really never know what an animal thinking. Though.
You never know. Like at least faces. With a dog, you kind of know a little bit. Cats, you really don't know, but they little pupils get big when
and
they want to.
Snakes and stuff like that.
You know, I don't play like that. But we're gonna check it out and see what happened in this video. Before we do that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
It's very important.
Tap that notification bell, send everybody our way.
Tell them we're the next up because we're the best.
And that's on E
and no big facts.
And this video comes from FAILARMY, the FAILARMY channel. So y'all go check them out as well, guys. All right, let's check it out. Oh my God. Oh, I know something stupid finna happen.
Oh! Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, I guess we gotta get you close.
Why you do that? Oh, hell no. Oh, yeah, we got,
I ain't gonna lie.
What's up?
I ain't gonna lie. I'm not about to like fight no elephant. I would have been like in shock, and I would have just made my way in a house or to the car. I'm sorry, real talk. She would have just had to get her own glasses. I'm sorry, like you go get your own glasses. I don't know. I don't even want them glasses no more.
And then they trying to hurry up and get that phone. Not my iPhone 12.
iPhone, you keep that.
Damn, that's just the intro, y'all. Hold on. He's in the water. He's in the water. Oh. He's in the water. That is not funny. What is y'all laughing at? I ain't never seen it do that. Oh my God. Get the... Oh! Dolphins are childish. He did that on purpose.
He did it on purpose.
He saw him and he was playing. He thought that was playing.
Mm-hmm.
You almost killed me.
Luckily, he can swim. Luckily, he can swim.
Luckily, thank God.
Flipper.
Childish.
Disrespectful.
Yeah. Lil Flipper.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
No.
He's gonna
oh my God. Oh! Oh my God!
He just
No, I would have. I'm suing. I want your horns. I want all the hay. I want all the, your calves. I want everything.
That bison wasn't having it though. You're like, get your...
See, that's why all these little drive-up safaris, no. What if these animals get the tripping like that and start messing up y'all cars and stuff?
That's crazy.
They make you sign a waiver, I'm sure, that they are not responsible for damages.
They better be lucky it wasn't no bear.
Right, well, hell no. Let it go. Wow.
Holy crap.
Oh no.
He's eating the apples from his
He's taking the food from his stand. Flip them up. Oh my God. He flipped it. We gotta square up. I'm finna shoot
extra.
I'm finna throw water bottles at it and run.
But she the one that I was gonna bring different type of
No,
pets
I said
to
I'm scared of big animals. I am. You said you would ride an elephant.
Asking for pony. I would, but like, come on, man. If
I would not. It ain't finna throw me off.
If it start getting to doing the dumb
just
stuff, it can
back
just get his trunk and just throw me off his back if it gets tired of me riding his back. Like, that's what I'm saying.
That's how it's gonna do you, babe.
See, extra.
Oh, what the? Is that a hippo?
What is that?
I don't know. It looked probably a hippo. Oh,
And it's trying to kill us.
get away from it before it eat.
Oh God, Pete, your pedals are close to that one.
Pete, back up, Pete. Back up, Pete. What the fuck is it?
Sorry.
It's a snake. It was a snake.
snake?
It was two.
Oh,
That's
wow.
why it never came up. You didn't see it was like going like this?
But I thought it could have been like a...
Baby, the cameraman is me. Oh! And Pete just like...
Man, I would have been scared. That boat wasn't even big enough, though. Like, you know what I'm saying? To even protect you. Like,
damn. Look at this shark. He finna bite.
He just bites harder.
He's biting.
Does it hurt?
No. What's that? Check out something in his
Hell
mouth?
no.
Yeah, his arm.
oh, hell no.
Something stupid finna happen. That baby in the hammock. Oh my God, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh shit.
It's a snake.
Oh my
It's
God.
a big old snake.
Was it there the whole time?
Oh, it was sneaking.
My brother could do something. That'd be great.
Yeah, but why can't
Close
we
it.
come and,
Close it.
you know?
What he eating?
Channel 7 News should come right now.
Yeah.
Channel
Sheldon
7
Fox.
News.
In Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with, like, the several layers that he has.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get an autograph.
Oh, hell nah. Your ass is grass.
He gotta be one of these.
Ass is grass if you try to do that. Like, for real talk. Like, come on, man.
He gotta be one of these.
I wouldn't-
Because we not doing that.
He gonna have to stand there. I'm not saving no alligator.
He
no.
ain't stuck.
Or crocodile, nothing.
He is in his habitat. There's water down there.
Square business.
He better swim and find his exit. It's connected to some
He
dam
found his
somewhere.
way there. So, yeah.
The fuck? No.
Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's gonna go.
Stop it.
Oh, he's going hard.
That's how them birds at Galveston be.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he got on a helmet?
Yeah.
Get out of there,
That's a
son.
woodpecker, too.
No. Oh,
He got scared.
he fell.
He got scared. But he thought
He
it
tried to
was
play it off.
What the is that?
มีลามด้วยอ่ะมีลาม
It's a worm? What was that? Like some type of worm or something? That's
Did
how
that
it kicks.
worm just ejaculate on his hand?
That clearly has to be some type of defense mechanism, babe.
To
So
ejaculate.
you trying to tell me that the worm spermed on his
Yeah. Yeah.
shot his
He shot his shot. That's all I'm saying.
Here we go. You've eaten that, Lord. Jesus.
Fuck no, let it go.
Holy moly. What in the
Holy
corner of the
moly.
jaw?
that's a big one though.
Scared the shit out of you, huh? Yeah, but
Holy moly, that was a
it's
big
time to
boy.
go back. You can see those. What is he doing? Oh no, he mad. Oh, you big mad.
Oh
running
no.
from? Where is he
Come to
with?
the camera?
Oh my God, move. What the? That's a big ass brown bear.
He come to the camera. He don't want nobody filming him, man. Hey, look, fam, you got it, fam.
And he had his teeth showing. Like I don't.
You got it, fam. I don't look. I don't even know. I don't even know if you black or white. I don't even know. Look, I don't even know what to. I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Pooh Air, is that you? We need a poo.
Hit that over there.
Y'all, Drew did this one time. Some people used to hang around. They had a German Shepherd and they came in the house and he just he acted dead for real. That
And he
shit
didn't
was
mess
so
with me.
funny and it worked. That
Yep,
is so
he didn't mess with
funny.
me.
Não, que vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano.
He finna charge.
Ó.
Aí ele
Watch,
volta.
watch. Look at him. I knew it. Nah.
Oh, we man.
He wasn't playing with them.
Yeah.
ดันรถอะแก้วถอยแก้ว
What the?
ถอยแก้วไปดิ
What's in
เอา
there?
เรื่องกันนะเป็นไรอ่ะ
He obviously got some
จะกิน
type
ของ
of
กินในร
food.
ถน่ะ
He bag it up. You see, he bag it up.
At least it's just a camper, but damn, like he literally just that goes to show how strong an elephant is.
Yeah.
And y'all out here riding these elephants.
It's the cameraman for me though. They start backing up smooth. Like, hold on.
Let me not make too much noise.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take a detour. Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah.
Don't mash the gas. Don't mash the gas.
That's a big
that
boy.
gotta be Florida.
That's a big boy.
Wow, you ever seen anything that big?
No, never.
Damn.
And they
I
can
think that's
run.
two guys and an
That's an
alligator.
alligator, right?
Yeah. They can run.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, ну
Don't move back. Move back.
Чё ты, как дела? Как?
His hair say. His hair say.
Ooh wee, man. Ooh wee. I knew it was
You
coming.
idiot. That's why I don't play with llamas like that.
Because he had his head like this. He was like.
If it ain't at the petting zoo, I don't. It's a reason why it's over there and you over here.
Hey, this how he was. He came out. I'm about to get your bitch ass.
This dude is getting in the way of me going to the
I
bar.
don't, no baboons, no monkeys.
And he's really scary.
Then move. What are you talking about?
Please don't come this way.
He is.
He coming. Look, he acting like he don't know what's going on.
I don't
run.
like this.
Look, he acting like.
Run.
The bar is that way. Please move. Please move.
He can't. He not letting her get out.
Come on. Oh,
Girl, don't do that.
no. He's a boner.
He has a boner.
Oh.
Ew. Oh, he wanted you. What is that?
Something. It's a bear.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, they be getting in people's cars.
He bust that window like.
Damn. He don't give a damn. He a savage like a motherfucker. He got
even-
cut up and everything.
He didn't even try. Like he just busted. I'm about to get up out this.
Yeah, imagine calling your State Farm. You call State Farm. Yes, my car
Was broken into.
was broken into by who, ma'am? A bear.
A bear. I think his name is Gary.
Pooh.
Mm-hmm.
Pooh Bear. Oh, he all cut up. I know it. He hurt. That's why he ain't. Yeah, he hurt.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
It's a
Oh,
chipmunk.
Going up the creek.
something stupid finna happen. Something finna get him.
There you go, going up that creek. There you go.
Something finna get him. Something stupid finna happen.
Like it.
Oh!
Bitch. Oh. And it be your own pets. It be your own pets. Their cat grabbed it.
That's crazy. No, I would have let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Man, that cat came out of nowhere though.
Fucked up. Oh my god. Okay, now you a stray now. I'm finna let you go now. Go, cause he not. Ooh.
You trying to
Is that how you are? Go fast. Keep going.
What is that? Is it Emily?
Who's he?
They quiet.
You making me be quiet. Y'all, I'm scared of spiders. Roaches, spiders, those are like my top fear.
I don't like
stink
spiders
bugs,
neither, but
anything that is a bug
Yeah.
or an insect, I'm scared of. I can't even look at them on the TV screen. I don't know that.
I don't like it either, but I will kill bugs and all of that. Like,
Ooh.
I don't care.
What is he doing? It's okay. Keep practicing. Look at the crab with the knife.
With a
I
knife.
seen this one.
Yeah, me too.
Esse aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare seu filho da pele
What is he talking about?
A gente foi matar ele tomou a vaca e tá
He gonna cut all y'all bitches up.
Out of there.
He gonna
Would
cut
you
y'all
try to
up.
get that? No, I wouldn't try.
I would just step on him. with my Timberland boots.
You would try to step on it?
Yeah.
She capped.
No, I would.
You capped.
I would.
All right, let's go buy some crabs right now.
But you gotta be quick. You gotta step on the knife and then step on him.
Okay, let's go buy some live crabs.
Like that.
Let's go buy some live crabs and practice it.
Okay.
She capped. She won't even kill a bug by herself.
That's not a bug.
It doesn't matter. It's a whole.
I can cook. Okay, well, I'm capping. They think it's so funny. Oh.
Yes.
That swan not playing with y'all. Ooh, go. Woo, go.
Oh my God.
They laughing. Yeah, in line.
Tell them, don't stop. Just keep walking.
There we go, Sergeant.
Oh, that's a snake.
And he don't see it. He don't see it. Go.
He just now seeing it?
He just saw it. At least it was the other
Alright, so this is our courtyard. That's the swimming pool. Covered up. Coming down the steps. Oh, what is that? Whoa. Hello, Mr. Alligator.
Oh, yeah, that's what he did.
Hello, Mr. Alligator.
That's crazy. Ooh, ants? Wow,
Ants, yeah.
Look how many of them. Oh my God. Ooh, now imagine if I got bit with one of those.
Disgusting. You'll be out of there.
Yeah, I got bit by a fire ant. Damn, look how big they are.
Mm-hmm.
I got bit by a fire ant and my fucking ankle swelled up like a damn elephant trunk. Like, it was like an elephant hoof. It was big.
And I had to take care of her. She had to get crutches and a cane and every damn thing.
That would take me to the cane. Dead on arrival. What the fuck?
Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre. Ahí se te va a coger todo.
Shoot it.
Somebody to help him, bro.
That's not funny.
Oh, help him.
They scared.
And we're recording, so we've just been looking for barramundi out here and doing a Eucalyptus World Tour. And we've just been spearing barramundi
What's a
just
barramundi?
up along these logs. We've had a little bit of luck and kind of had to stop and be like, well, got to be careful because at the end of the day, this is saltwater crocodile country. And you can just see how crystal clear this water is. And guess what, guys? We were just about to spear a barramundi right here. And then guess what we saw?
Oh, he just sitting right there.
Blending in, though.
I wouldn't have even seen that. If he didn't say nothing, I wouldn't have seen it. That's why I don't play in the water. Like, I don't.
Any, like, them little murky looking waters. And like, man, I'm not
I used to
about
go fishing
jumping
with my
there.
daddy a lot. And that used to just scare the mess out of me. Just sitting on that boat waiting for the fish. Even trying to get the fish up, that used to scare me.
Yeah.
Like, for real. Look at the monkey.
Я боюсь, что сейчас. Давай. Сейчас пачка вам заберет.
Oh, what is that?
What is it?
It just.
Oh, it inked.
What was that?
It was a squid.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Oh.
Saves the day. But we need more people like you, more birds like you. Matter of fact, can I get one as a pet? Just in case we get a spider.
That looked like it was a woodpecker.
Oh, I don't want them.
Yeah, you sure you want a woodpecker?
I don't have no wood in here, but you'll peck me.
He's gonna peck the hell out you.
Oh, what's going on?
It's running from
What is it?
It's a bear. It's a bear.
It's a bear.
Oh, the dogs are running from the bear. You see the human ran back in? Oh my God.
Oh my God. And it's a cat. So you know it's petty and it's gonna try
It's
to.
a domestic cat.
I know, but I'm saying it's a cat. You know, cats are petty.
They like to sneak up.
They want to
on you.
scare you and stuff.
Yeah,
Oh my God, I would just die right then and there.
I'm glad that didn't go left. So
yeah, he just minded his business. You know, some cats know how to mind their business.
amen.
Well, Yeah. Go, hurry up. Shit, it's more. Go home. Go home. Hurry up.
Folk kan sige, at gå med igen i Burma Prior.
No, we don't play with hippos. Be quiet. See, I want to see how that ended. Get in the house. Get in the house. What is that? A baby bear. A baby bear. Tyler, it's a bear.
Look at her. Like, God. Oh, Tyler. Get in the house, Tyler. Get in the house, Tyler.
Go now.
But him, look, he did this.
What's that?
Tyler, get in the house right now.
Right now. Call your dad. The baby's scared.
Jason, get in the house.
Girl, you better get your ass on the wall. She's like you love a bear.
She said, no.
คือพลังมดนะครับ
ไอ้พวกนี้ชุดที่ตรวจการ
They are dragging that worm. Wow. Look at
พลัง
that.
เงินขึ้นด้วยนี่
Look at that teamwork, y'all. But we can't. Meanwhile, we out here fighting and beating each other ass and stuff. Teamwork make the dream work. Everybody eats.
Yeah, but the ants, they working together.
The ants get it.
They working together.
The ants get it.
I don't get it. You feel me? Damn.
ตัวนั้นเงินจะพากันนะไม่ดูดิตัวไหนหมดแรงมันออกเปลี่ยนทันที
They are strong. They smart. They guiding and everything. Okay, go ahead, ants. Stay over there though. That's why I don't want to go camping. Right there. Oh. Really?
No, he doesn't care.
He don't give a damn about that.
Is he taking my sleeping bag?
He cold.
Okay, just drive a bit closer, maybe.
Why the fuck would you do that, Bob?
Man, they don't.
Why would you drive closer to it?
Clearly, they not afraid of the light
Clearly.
or the horn. Clearly.
So just keep an eye out for others.
Really? They making all the noise they possibly can. They trying to scare him, but he don't care. He don't care. That's his campground now. Oh, you trying to skedaddle
It's in
now.
a bit. Just trying to just get him away from them.
Now he finna call his her cousins. She finna call her cousins and all them cooking them finna come over and they finna turn up. She wanna play.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. That was fun to watch.
Yeah.
I know y'all probably crying laughing at us because we ain't got no sense.
What was your best one?
I honestly think the best one was the first one with the girl, the elephant punching her in the face.
Man, that was crazy. I think mine was the llama. We was like, yeah, come on. Yeah, I'm about to get you. I'm about to get you up here. My hair, Mom! My hair!
Anyway, comment what your favorite animal encounter was down below. Let us know what you think about these reactions,
Real
y'all.
talk.
We trying to, spice it up, do some different things other than music, because there's a lot of content out here in the world to react to.
Man. You feel me?
Let us know what you want us to do, what you want us to watch.
We got
you know what I'm
y'all.
saying? But thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
It's very important.
Tap that notification bell, send everybody our way.
Tell them we the next up because we the best
and that's
up.
on END Game.
No big
Road
facts.
to 30K. Thank y'all for
Real
28.1. Let's get it. Let's
on the
go.
way.
All right. Until next time. Peace.